wanna make a change. I just wanna change, I just wanna change, I just wanna change, I just wanna change, I just wanna change. I know exactly what I want and who I wanna be. I know exactly why I walk and talk like a machine. I'm now becoming my own self-fulfilled prophecy. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. One track mind, one track heart. If I fail, I'll fall apart. Maybe it is all a test, 'cause I feel like I'm the worst, so I always act like I'm the best. If you are not very careful, your possessions will possess you. TV taught me how to feel, now real life has no appeal. It has no appeal, it has no appeal, it has no appeal, it has no appeal, it has no appeal. I know exactly what I want and who I want to be. I know exactly why I walk and talk like a machine. I'm now becoming my own self-fulfilled prophecy. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. I know exactly what I want and who I want to be. I know exactly why I walk and talk like a machine. I'm now becoming my own self-fulfilled prophecy. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. I'm gonna live, I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna fail, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna live, I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna fail, gonna die. I know exactly what I want and who I want to be. I know exactly why I walk and talk like a machine. I'm now becoming my own self-fulfilled prophecy. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. I know exactly what I want and who I want to be. I know exactly why I walk and talk like a machine. I'm now becoming my own self-fulfilled prophecy. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. I was pulling out my hair the day I cut the deal. Chemically calm, was I meant to feel happy that my life was just about to change? One life pretending to be the cow got the cream. Oh, everybody said Marina is a dreamer. People like to tell you what you're gonna be. It's not my problem if you don't see what I see, and I do not give a damn if you don't believe. My problem is my problem that I never am happy. It's my problem on how fast I will succeed. Are you sad? satisfied? Are you 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 satisfied?
I stand here waiting for you to bang the gong, to crash the critics saying, is it right or is it wrong? If only fame hidden I'd be, baby, could I bear being away from you? I firmly put it in here. I live for the applause, applause, applause. I live for the applause, applause, live for the applause, applause, live for the way that you cheer and scream for me. The applause, applause, applause. Give me the feeling of love. I'll turn the lights on. Put your hands up, make 'em turn me on. Give me the feeling of love. I'll turn the lights on. Put your hands up, make 'em turn me on. Make it real now. Put your hands up, make 'em turn. I've overheard your theory, nostalgia is for geeks. I guess, sir, if you say so, some of us just like to read. 1 second I'm a Koonsman, suddenly the Koons is me. Pop culture was in art, now art and pop culture in me. I live for the applause, applause, applause. I live for the applause, applause, live for the applause, applause, live for the way that you cheer and scream for me. The applause, applause, applause. Give me the feeling of love. I'll turn the lights on. Put your hands up, make 'em turn me on. Give me the feeling of love. I'll turn the lights on. Put your hands up, make 'em turn me on. Make it real now. Put your hands up, make 'em turn. Make it real now. Put your hands up, make 'em turn. Touch, touch, touch now. I live for the applause, applause, applause. I live for the applause, applause, live for the applause, applause, live for the way that you cheer and scream for me. The applause, applause, applause. Give me the feeling of love. I'll turn the lights on. Put your hands up, make 'em turn me on. Give me the feeling of love. I'll turn the lights on. Put your hands up, make 'em turn me on. Make it real now. Put your hands up, make 'em turn. Make it real now. Make it real now. Put your hands up, make 'em turn.
They're gonna clean up your looks with all the lies in the books to make a citizen out of you. Because they sleep with a gun and keep an eye on you, son, so they can watch all the things you do. Because the drugs never work, they gonna give you a smirk, 'cause they got methods of keeping you clean. They gonna rip up your heads, your aspirations to shreds. Another cog in the murder machine. They said I'm teenagers scared the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes or think of violent pose. Maybe to leave you alone, but not me. The boys and girls in the clique, the awful names at the stick. You're never gonna fit in much, kid. But if you're troubled and hurt, what you got under your shirt will make them pay for the things that they did. They said, oh, teenagers scared the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed.
dream is a killer, getting drunk with a blue caterpillar. I'm peeling the skin off my face, 'cause I really hate being safe. They're normal, they make me afraid. They're crazy, they make me feel sane. I'm nuts, baby, I'm mad, the craziest run that you've ever had. You think I'm psycho, you think I'm gone. Tell the psychiatrist something is wrong. Over the bend, entirely bonkers. You like me best when I'm off my rocker. Tell you a secret, I'm not alarmed. So what if I'm crazy? The best people are. All the best people are crazy. All the best people are. Where is my prescription? Doctor, doctor, please listen. My brain is scattered. You can be Alice, I'll be the Mad Hatter. I'm peeling the skin off my face, 'cause I really hate being safe. They're normals, they make me afraid. They're crazy, they make me feel sane. I'm nuts, baby, I'm mad, the craziest run that you've ever had. You think I'm psycho, you think I'm gone. Tell the psychiatrist something is wrong. Over the bend, entirely bonkers. You like me best when I'm off my rocker. Tell you a secret, I'm not alarmed. So what if I'm crazy? The best people are. You think I'm crazy, you think I'm gone. So what if I'm crazy? All the best people are. And I think you're crazy too. I know you're gone. It's probably the reason that we get along. Nuts, baby, I'm mad, the craziest run that you've ever had. You think I'm psycho, you think I'm gone. Tell the psychiatrist something is wrong. Over the bend, entirely bonkers. You like me best when I'm off my rocker. Tell you a secret, I'm not alarmed. So what if I'm crazy? The best people are. All the best people are crazy. All the best people are. All the best people are crazy. All the best people are.
I want to be like Nessie.
I'm so insecure, I think that I'll die before I drink. And I'm so caught up in the news of who likes me and who hates you. And I'm so tired that I might quit my job, start a new life. And they'd all be so disappointed, 'cause who am I if not exploited? And I'm so sick of 17, where's my fucking teenage dream? If someone tells me one more time, enjoy your youth, I'm gonna cry. And I don't stick up for myself, I'm anxious and nothing can help. And I wish I'd done this before, and I wish people liked me more. All I did was try my best, it's the kind of things I did. I'm relentlessly obsessed. They say these are the golden years, but I wish I could disappear. Ego crush is so severe. God, it's brutal out here. I feel like no one wants me, and I hate the way I'm perceived. I only have 2 real friends, and lately I'm a nervous wreck. 'Cause I love people I don't like, and I hate every song I write. And I'm not cool, and I'm not smart, and I can't even parallel park. All I did was try my best, it's the kind of things I did. I'm relentlessly obsessed. They say these are the golden years, but I wish I could disappear. Ego crush is so severe. God, it's brutal out here. Just having a really good time.
asking for help, it's only because being with you has opened my eyes. Could I ever believe such a perfect surprise? I keep asking myself, wondering how. I keep closing my eyes, but I can't look you out. Wanna fly to a place where it's just you and me, nobody else, so we can be free. Nobody else, so we can be free. All the things you said, all the things you said, running through my head, running through my head, running through my head. All the things you said, all the things you said, running through my head, running through my head. All the things you said, all the things you said. All the things you said, 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 all the things you said. And I'm all mixed up, feeling cornered and rushed. They say it's my fault, but I want it so much. Wanna fly away, but the summer rain coming over my face, wash away all the shame. When I stop and stare, don't worry me, cause I'm feeling for her what she's feeling for me. I can try to pretend, I can try to forget, but it's driving me mad, going out of my head. Running through my head, running through my head, running through my head. All the things you said, all the things you said, running through my head, running through my head. All the things you said, all the things you said. All the things you said, 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 all the things you said. Disappointment makes us best of us. Even though I know I think we should have
There must be something in the cornflakes, making it hard for us to think straight. I just wanna go from here, close my eyes and disappear. I just wanna be the comic relief, making jokes, not taking any responsibility. It's waking up inside of the dream, you don't know what to believe. Oh, maybe that's why disappointment takes us by surprise. Even though by now I think we should have realized everyone is
They used to call me smart, call me bright, call me gifted. And a part of me took pride in reading faster than other kids did. Cause when things were standardized and I was timed and I was tested, then I could prove that I was worthy of love and attention. Now I'm no longer smart, no longer bright, no longer gifted. And I can't read anything if it takes me longer than 15 minutes. Yet I still scrape and search and crave to earn that validation that I can still be worthy and deserving of love and attention. Some people live the life that was given, some people just get by. Some people never learned how to be driven, some people don't even try. But some people know what their heart desires. Some people lead with a passionate fire, and some people know that they're destined to fly. I'll go all out, ace every test, no doubt, outdo all the rest. Don't pout or settle for second best. So I won't stop and won't lose my cool. Don't flop, cause Harvard's no fool. And who'll love me if I'm not the top of my school? She's the top, she's the top, she's the top of our Maybe my friends will say I'm overzealous. Maybe I try too hard. Maybe they'll just have to learn to be jealous, watching me shine like a star. Cause maybe I know what my heart desires. Maybe I'll lead with a passionate fire. Cause maybe I know that I'm destined to fly. But if I hadn't earned $1, what would you think of your dear daughter? Would it be pity or dishonor to ensue? And if I fail to earn the ribbon, how could I ever be forgiven? Tell me what love would still be given from you. I'll go all out, ace every test, no doubt, I'll do all the rest. Don't pout or settle for second best. So I won't stop and won't lose my cool. Don't flop, cause Harvard's no fool. And who'll love me if I'm not the top of my school? average. Like I've never heard that one before. See, that one stupid word is why I don't act anymore. One bad review from someone you love, and suddenly it doesn't matter who thinks you're above average. And so you stick to writing nothing else. If you never show off, your only critic is yourself. But now I've learned that I'm not the best. So if you need a failure, you can ask where the nearest is. I'll say look no further than your favorite lyricist. Me, the kid waking up from a dream, realizing his music is the worst he's ever seen. And who cares if it was from when he was 15? It deserves the same judgment, it deserves the same judgment. God, it's so hard to be good for your age when you know that your work's not good enough for the stage. You got the skills of an idiot who got too much praise, and your whole damn career just turns into a phase. And the fire in your heart is beginning to fade. And you're one critique away from considering trading your piano for money. Isn't it funny how average can cut so deep?
Sorry I didn't respond for a week. I was in class and then I fell asleep. Woke up late for work and left my phone at home. I didn't mean to leave you hanging there all alone. Sorry I left you on red for the day. I couldn't think of anything worthwhile to say. I don't know just yet who you take me to be, and I don't want to spoil your impression of me. Oh, this is just what I do, pushing you away, though I want to be close to you. Sorry I never opened what you said. I was too busy wrapped up in my head. Don't wanna seem eager, I gotta be cool. The last thing I want is to look like a fool. Sorry I never quite seem like myself. It's just the low confidence cards I've been dealt. I'm willing to sway to any point of view that'll make me a bit more appealing to you. Oh, I hate feeling so fake, always hiding my feelings for someone else's sake. Sorry I didn't respond for a week. It goes without saying I wasn't asleep. I'm just afraid that the more that I know, the higher the chance that I'll end up alone. Sorry I left you on red for the day. My mind likes to tell me it's better that way. I'll brush it off like it wasn't that deep and tell you I'm sorry I fell asleep.
Trying to be funny and stuck in a room. There isn't much more to say about it. Can one be funny when stuck in a room? Being in, trying to get something out of it. Try making faces, try telling jokes, making little sounds. Oh, I was a kid who was stuck in his room. There isn't much more to say about it when you're a kid and you're stuck in your room. You'll do any old shit to get out of it. Try making faces, try telling jokes, making little sounds. Well, well, look who's inside again. Went out to look for a reason to hide again. Well, well, buddy, you found it. Now come out with your hands up, we've got you surrounded.
My father never talked a lot. He just took a walk around the block till all his anger took a hold of him, and then he'd hit. My mother never cried a lot. She took the punches but she never fought, till she said, I'm leaving and I'll take the kids. So she did. I say they're just the ones who gave me life, but I truly am my parents' child. Scattered across my family line, I'm so good at telling lies. That came from my mother's side. Told a million to survive. Scattered across my family line, God, I have my father's eyes, but my sisters when I cry. I can run, but I can't hide from my family life. It's hard to put it into words, how the holidays will always hurt. I watch the fathers with their little girls and wonder what I did to deserve this. How could you hurt a little kid? I can't forget, I can't forgive you, 'cause now I'm scared that everyone I love will leave me. Scattered across my family line, I'm so good at telling lies. That came from my mother's side. Told a million to survive. Scattered across my family line, God, I have my father's eyes, but my sisters when I cry. I can run, but I can't hide from my family
good.